Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to always win Block Blast. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First up, know your level's goals. Each level has unique objectives, so make sure you understand them before you start planning your moves. Next, always plan ahead. Look at the whole board and think about how your moves will impact it. A little foresight can make a big difference. Use those power up wisely. Combine them if you can from massive effects. They can clear big sections of the board and help you out of the tight spots. Now aim for a larger matches. The bigger the match, the better the result. And don't forget to clear obstacles first to open up more spaces. Be smart with your moves and adapt as you go. Every board is different, so adjust your strategy based on what is happening. Lastly, practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you'll get at spotting patterns and making the right moves. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!